The main challenges that I face in my role at the moment are interlinking systems that we have. So we have a learning management system within Alstom that has all of our training and learning modules on. And one of the biggest problems and challenges I face currently is getting that information from that learning management system onto the EDS product to record the training records.
The main challenges for a trainer and assessor are the amount of assessments we've got to do, partly due to high turnover of staff, and the limited time we have with them staff to perform those competencies.
We're a huge organisation. We have thousands of staff across the UK. We span across 30 plus locations across the UK, and I think one of the biggest challenges for us is standardising what we do. And with regards to training and competence, we have so many people at different locations. To all follow the same procedures in a standardised manner is quite difficult to monitor and to manage.
And we can be in the customer's sites rather than our own sort of depots. And that brings challenges in terms of records, where those records are. And we have a centralised repository as far as EDS is concerned, which allows me to function a lot faster.
EDS has helped us overcome some of the challenges due to the ease of the system. It's very user friendly, and we're able to use the system for what we need. So we can find places on EDS, and working very closely with the guys at EDS, we can get a suitable place to store that information and have it readily accessible for all of our staff within Alstom to get to it quickly. From what we used to do, which was the paper sort of variants and digital cameras getting pictures, very time consuming, it's a very clunky manual process, and a lot's got to be done to get it right, and means a lot can go wrong. So with using EDS, it simplifies that process. We have our trainers and assessors on the shop floor in the work environment, and they're able to take live pictures of real-time observations, upload that data straight onto EDS, and we can view that on the iPads and on the desktop versions. The interface on the iPad is very, very easy. It's one of the best things about it. Dashboard is a key thing for us in terms of KPIs, reporting to low-level sort of team leaders, shift production managers, up through different management positions to senior management, where they can see an overall capability of where we are with our assessments.
One key item with the EDS is the 90-day view. So we can see candidates coming up for assessment 90 days in advance, whereas with our old Access database, they never threw any dates off. We would have to physically go in there to pull those dates off.
It saves a lot of time, it saves a lot of resource, it allows our trainers and assessors to act and change quickly and monitor progress quite quickly as well. So the cost, the time, the resource saving is it's invaluable.
We invite people to their assessment. We inform them that the assessment is going to be on a particular date. We inform their managers. I turn up and we can assess them. They're already prepared. We go through the prerequisites, and I can undertake the assessment at that moment in time, and we get them signed off, and it's done immediately rather than having to type stuff off, then bring it back to that site, or indeed take it to the depot and update their records within a sort of a fixed folder. Yeah. At one point, it would have taken me 2 days to start and complete an assessment. Now it's done within a few hours, and I can leave site and it's complete. We can also put in place an improvement plan, and those I don't need to collect the records or anything like that. And if we do have an improvement plan in place, then that also reminds me that I have to attend site on a particular date. There's a couple of things that has helped me hugely, and that's voice files. Every time they answer the phone or make a phone call, that's a recorded safety critical communications, and we can use that as evidence in terms of completing the assessment on EDS.
It's good because all their shift production managers and general managers can also view the system, so that it kind of holds them accountable, I suppose, as well, as opposed to it just being on us solely as a training team to look after everybody's competencies, when really the onus should also be on the individual and the manager as well.
The visions and aims of my team is to have learning available in different medias, whether that's online, whether that's instructor-led, and to have that run through learning management systems and recorded on EDS, so that individuals can see their portfolio of training, and then managers from all different levels are able to access that, and we can report on that at different points when needed.
Our vision is to be best in class, do things effectively, efficiently and safely. Regulations in the industry is forever improving, and there are changes, that come from left, right and centre. So, we want to be a company that can be quite flexible and adapt to these changes. And ultimately, having a system that can allow us to react quickly and make efficient changes is invaluable for what we do.
The benefits to having the training and the competencies on one platform is because a lot of the prerequisites that you need to be able to be assessed for a competency involves a lot of the safety critical training that we're now going to start recording in EDS since getting the training record side of it set up. So that'll be really handy and save us from going in between two systems or multiple different training matrices, which is obviously takes up a lot of time. So it'll be good to have it in one place and just, easy visibility really.
Well, my working relationship with them, it's more of a collaboration than anything. So, it's a very open door type atmosphere. If we have any problems or improvements we'd like to see, we're forever changing within the industry. Their door is always open. They're always open to change and improvements as and when, to meet our needs really, to meet our requirements. So it's a great relationship and it works very well, yeah.
We sit down and really talk about what Alstom needs from EDS and how that can work out. So the team are great, the helpline and raising tickets gets addressed quickly, and we're able to get a lot of our issues sorted and resolved in a quick time.